If you want to find multiplayer games on Steam faster, this guide is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to browse multiplayer games on Steam using the store categories so you can quickly discover co-op games, online competitive games, and multiplayer titles without wasting time scrolling endlessly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam tips and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. You can do this by visiting store.steampowered.com. Once the Steam store loads, take a look at the top navigation bar. This is where Steam organizes all of its store sections, and it makes browsing much easier when you know where to click. Next, hover your mouse over categories. As soon as you do that, Steam will open a drop-down menu with different types of game genres and store filters. This is the key area you want to use if you're trying to narrow down your search to multiplayer games. From the categories menu, click any section that interests you. For example, you can choose free-to-play, action, or adventure. The reason this step matters is because Steam lets you combine genre browsing with multiplayer filtering, which helps you find games that match the kind of experience you want. After you click a category, you'll land on a page full of games in that section. Now, scroll down a little bit. Steam often gives you more filtering options further down the page, and this is where you can refine your results even more. Once you're on the category page, look for the multiplayer filter and click it. This tells Steam that you only want to see games that support multiplayer gameplay. Depending on the category you picked, this can show you online multiplayer games, co-op games, or other games that can be played with friends or other players. After you select multiplayer, Steam will refresh the page and show multiplayer games from that category. At this point, you can browse through the list, compare titles, check reviews, and open any game page to learn more about it. This is a really simple way to discover multiplayer games that fit your preferred genre instead of searching the entire store manually. If you want even better results, try repeating the same process with different categories. For example, if you're looking for multiplayer action games, select action first and then apply the multiplayer for filter. If you want something more casual, try another category and browse again. This makes it much easier to find games that you and your friends will actually enjoy. And that's it. Now you know how to browse multiplayer games on Steam step by step. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a lot of time when you're looking for your next game to play with friends. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Steam tutorials, gaming tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.